rocket. This is an homage to the European Space Agency, where Switzerland also takes part in manufacturing a few parts for the Ariane 5 rockets. And aviation is a small family. And this is normally the part where I start introducing the platform in Switzerland to become a Swiss Air Force pilot. I mean, if you have the intention to come to Switzerland and to be a pilot, you have to have obviously the passport. And the second thing you need to have is the proper platform, and it's sphere.ch, and this is the formation called Sphere.
Takže pokiaľ by ste sa chceli stať pilotmi švajčiarskych vzdušných síl, ako hovoril Lifty, musíte mať pre všetkým platný pás, navštíviť Rakúsko. A tu je teda miesto, pardon, Švajčiarsko, tu je teda miesto pre ďalšie informácie pre možných adeptov švajčiarskych vzdušných síl.
To the left again, the first soloist, Basil. Yeah, he's like the clown in the team. He's entertaining you, ladies and gentlemen, while the big team or the rest of the aircraft are preparing for the next pass. Now, a single 360 G-load, about 5 Gs, and he's gonna do a loop. So that's nothing more than the same thing in a vertical dimension.
Takže solista opäť vyplňa priestor, kedy sa skupina pripravuje k ďalšiemu manévru. Bola tu utiahnutá zatáčka na 5 biečkách a znovu premet, ako spomínal Lifty, je to taký klaun skupiny, dobrá duša, vyplňovať voľné miesta.
Wonderful set, thank you, Jaro. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be one of our highlights in our display. As Captain Christoph Schneider climbs to the right to get some altitudes, to transform it later on again into speeds, the big team approaches the field from the front left sector. They have reduced the speeds, lowered the landing gear, switched on the landing lights to form the tunnel. But this tunnel, ladies and gentlemen, is closed. You will see a closed tunnel crossing by the Swiss Air Force. Now please, Jaro, your turn to translate it.
Takže zľava vpredu privietava skupina, ktorá vytvára tunel, a bude to uzavretý tunel. Takže nech sa páči, sledujte, pripravte si fotoaparát.
You see the big team in landing configuration. Thank you very much for your clapping hands, ladies and gentlemen. Highly appreciated. A rare shot of the team here in formation Losange.
Takže opäť ďakujeme. Prichádza solista. Zamáva krídlami. Dúfam, že oceníte jeho i skupinu výrazným potleskom. Určite si to za svoj výkon všetci zaslúžia. Ďakujeme našim švajčiarskym priateľom a skupine PC7. Takisto ďakujem komentátorovi za jeho nádherný výkon v čistej slovenčine.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for the applause. For everything else now, we're slowly but surely also approaching the end of our display, and now pass the micro over to DJ into the front aircraft.
It's a great pleasure to take part in this wonderful air show. And for me now it's getting a little bit difficult. I give it a try. So, поздравляю вас с исторически Южные силы вас BC-70. Сегодня добитие